Hello guys, it's Keegan here. Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be unboxing a pop figure from Pop Games, or Funko Pop, whatever they're called. I am unboxing the Mortal Kombat X Scorpion, which is my favourite Mortal Kombat character. Beat Sub-Zero's butt, which is and yeah, I'll look into it. I have already opened it, like took the tape off there. Let's open it. Oh, and also you can get different Mortal Kombat characters. There is Liu Kang, Sub-Zero, Scorpion obviously, Raiden and Katana. Yeah, Katana. Let's open it. If we can open it. Wow. That is pretty cool. Now I really like it. It's really detailed, and it looks just like from the game. It's really good. The thing is though, where, like around his uniform on the edges, there's brown on it, you can see. Like around there, there's brown on his uniform. Well, around his side of the uniform, but in the game he doesn't. I think he doesn't. Anyway, it's pretty cool. You can turn the head like pretty much every other pop figure. It's, well, it is small, very good quality, and you can pretty much put it anywhere, like, I don't know, like, here, here, oh my god, stand up, really, stand up will you, there we go, and don't mind the Peppa Pig lamp. It is not mine, and will never be mine, but for some reason my grandma asked me to use it. That's it. Look at the box. Yep, there is Liu Kang, Sub-Zero, Scorpion, Katana, and Raiden. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Okay. And I think I know what movie's doing. It's the get over here. I can't exactly do the thing. I want to buy more of these. Just really do. Yeah, and make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And the next video will be, I'm doing another video later. I'm doing the toxic waste and soda, sugar challenge. These toxic waste is It's a really sour candy. It's a lollipop but with really sour stuff on it. It's not actual toxic waste, which is good. I'm sorry about I'm keep moving the camera around. It's just my arms really aching. And I hope you really like this t-shirt and jacket. It's actually quite good. I'm just zip it up. A little fashion show. And also the pop figures are around £13 if you live in England. Well, if you live in United Kingdom. I like it. Bye. So yeah, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and let's see if we can get to 500 likes. Bye, and I'll see you in the next video, which is going to be tonight. Bye.